Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Escorts Kubota Ltd. Our analyst retains a positive view on Escorts Kubota, expecting an upside of 20% owing to its long-term growth prospect due to synergy benefits on collaboration with Kubota and improved outlook of the tractor industry. Tractor industry would sustain its growth pace in FY26 in expectation of pre-buying in second half of FY26 before implementation of CRAM 5th norms in April 26. Management aims to expand export mix to 15% by FY29 from 5% currently. Stock trades at price to equity multiple of 25.6 times its FY26 and 22.8 times FY27 earning estimates. An EV by EBITDA multiple of 18.5 times its FY26 and 16.3 times its FY27 earning estimates.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.